Good afternoon. As part of this semester's core activity, we delivered a document where we had to predict the minimum temperature during May 2025 for a specific state in Mexico, in our case, Chihuahua. Firstly, we extracted the data of minimum temperatures from January 2010 all the way to December 2019, which amassed 120 months. Then, we fit all the data in a spreadsheet in order to compare and contrast two trigonometric graphs, one built by a pre-existing software, in our case GeoGebra, and one built manually. Finally, we identified each variable of the sine and cosine function, and we predicted a minimum temperature of May in 2025, using both functions.
Hi, my name is Andrés, and I think that this was a kind of challenging activity, so I think that collaboration was in fact very important during this project. My strategy as a teammate was to listen as much as possible from my other teammates and be able to come up with new ideas to solve the problem that was set by the activity. When we talked about ideas, I think that the most important thing that we did was listening to each other and thinking about how can we solve the problem that was given. And to achieve the team goal, my contribution was mainly on the creation of the team's function, as well as the creation of the table for the gathering of data. Thank you.
Well, everyone did their job, so my collaboration was more about doing the part that I was assigned to. For example, I was completing questions and doing the graph and helping with the Excel. Our strategy was to divide the work so each of us had less work, but we could do it better and more organized. That way we had no more trouble. When one of our teammates had an idea, we each discussed it and then we each looked for the better solution. And so in order to achieve the team goal, I was able to, complete the questions I was assigned and then organize the team a bit. But essentially everyone did their job and we all worked together, so there was no trouble in that
My
part.
collaboration during this project was important because I helped with the making of the formula and also making sure the calculations from the GeoGebra formula and our formula were right. The strategies to achieve the goals set by the team were to look closely at the values thrown by the formula and making sure the formula matched with what the graph showed. When someone had an idea, we just simply listened to them and let them have their idea be put in the document and in the final document. To achieve the team goal, my contribution was to make sure the calculations were right and also taking and discriminating the parameters from the graph and identifying them and writing them down on the document.
Hello, my name is Santiago Campa, and I believe my collaboration during this core activity was important because I was always in the team whenever we had to work together. In order to complete this activity, which was our main goal, we divided the work in equal parts, being more efficient with our time. I was in charge of answering most of the questions, as well as editing this video, also complementing by comparing both graphs. Obviously, we worked in unison throughout this whole project, since the four of us have always complemented each other since high school. Whenever someone speaks, we listen and gather any useful information or comment, and we always keep contributing to the project. We have grown this sense of trust and support that allow us to complete certainly any team activity. Thank you.